Organization admins can delete a device from the LDM portal when the device is no longer in use or has transferred ownership within the organization. To delete a device from LDM, navigate to the Devices section under Device Management. Select the checkbox next to the device and click Delete from the top navigation menu. Click Yes in the confirmation message. The device will be successfully deleted from LDM in a few minutes. After deleting the device, the UDC agent is placed in an unprovisioned state, disconnecting it from the LDM organization. If the admin also wants to completely uninstall the UDC agent from the device, open Device Manager from the Start menu. Go to System Devices and select Universal Device Client. Right-click on Universal Device Client and select the checkbox to remove the device driver during uninstallation. Click Uninstall to start the device uninstallation process. To learn more about Lenovo Device Manager, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or go to ldmsupport.lenovocloudsoftware.com.